That was no, wait. All Women's Day for me, Women's Day celebration. Cut. Hi friends, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. There is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. And when we decide to support each other, incredible things happen. So this year, let's take an oath to not compete, but support each other. Wish you all a very happy Women's Day. Today I'm here to celebrate my Women's Day at Novotel Hotel, Sipcot, Chennai. So I'm not here for a food review today. It's a Women's Day event that is happening with live music, food and a lot more. So I'm here to just enjoy the event, enjoy the evening. The Goan Shack Bar by pool was on the upper ground floor and my mood was instantly elevated the moment I entered. So here they had set the table for us with a candle light and they welcomed us with flowers and tiara. They had organized complimentary spa for all women out there, and this was not just sweet but a very thoughtful gesture as we really deserve one. So here I have Miss Roshna with me, who is basically from Manipur but working here in Novotel, and I'm getting a spa done and I'm actually enjoying my Women's Day in the right way, with the right people around, with the right atmosphere around, and I'm so happy. My son Dheer uses the gym as a play area while I was getting the spa done. जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई. We are now back to our table to enjoy the music, food and mocktails. सुबह शाम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम चलिया तू चलिया चलिया. Don't miss to try out this grilled bun samosa whenever you go there. We decided to go to the dine-in area and check the menu, and believe me, it was an elaborate one and definitely worth the price that they are charging. The food was delicious and they had plenty of options. Of course, they had both veg and non-vegetarian options, and they had many cuisines like South Indian, North Indian, Italian, Asian, and it was so good to see the chefs on duty. Dheer, for a change, wanted Indian food and not Italian. The dal makhani was just like a dhaba style dal makhani. It was delicious and it had that smoky flavor. And that was such a memorable evening, trust me. I have never celebrated my Women's Day to this extent ever, and I completely enjoyed the food, the music, the ambience, overall everything about the evening, and the food was finger licking, and trust me, you should visit this place called Goan Shack Bar by the pool in Sipcot, Novotel. I'm sure you will not regret coming here. It is worth taking all the pain crossing the city traffic and coming to this end of Chennai and visiting this place. You will love it as much as I did, and thank you so much Novotel for making my evening, my Women's Day evening, so special. And thank you so much Mr. Suchir, Mr. Karthik and Mr. Rajendra to make this evening so memorable for me. Thank you so much. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe, and do visit Novotel, and trust me, the price that in which they offer their buffet dinner is completely worth it. You can take my words, I mean, you will not regret coming here for sure. And do like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. Thank you.